everyone, do you know our name? Can you spell it with me? C-A-R-B-E-L-I. Carbeli, that's right. And today we're gonna learn about construction vehicles. Can you help me find them? Here's one. This is called an excavator. An excavator doesn't have wheels or tires. These are called tracks. And the track is made of rubber, so it can go over anything and it can dig in the dirt and go forward. This is called the boom. It's kind of like your arm and it's got the claw on the end. Let's do it. Can you do a boom with me? This is the boom and this is your arm, and you can grab dirt and go boop, boop, and drop it somewhere else. Sometimes what they do is they'll pick up dirt and they'll move it like this and they'll dump it into a dump truck. I know I have a dump truck here somewhere. Can you help me find it? We'll put this down, we'll play with this later. Dump truck, dump truck, dump truck. Oh! A dump truck! A dump truck has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wheels and 8 tires, because it gets pretty heavy, so you have to have 8 tires to support the weight. And then the dump truck goes boop, 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 and dumps it out like that. But we'll put this down here because we're gonna play with it later. All right, there's one more. Can you help me find it? Oh, look. It's a crane truck. This is a crane truck. A crane truck has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wheels and 8 tires, because you need that many wheels and tires because it gets really heavy. So what the crane truck does, see the crane goes boop, 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 and then look, it can go up even further than that. Watch this. Look at that. And then it can turn, and you can pick up things that are really heavy, and it goes like that. All right, now that we've talked about our 3 toys, do you want to play with them? Let's do it. Hey, I have an idea. Let's use our excavator and our dump truck to move some of this dirt. Oh, that was so neat. Did you see that? We used the excavator to pick up some dirt, and then we dumped it into the dump truck. Now's the really fun part. Okay, let's back the dump truck up. Beep, beep, beep. And we're gonna dump all of our dirt right here. Ready? All right, I'm gonna open the back. And then I'm gonna push the button and raise this up. That was so neat. There's one more thing we need to do though. You see this little tool over here? So we need some way to get this tool over here, and the excavator can't pick it up. So let's use our crane truck to do this, okay? We'll hook this on here. We're gonna hook our tool on the hook for the crane. And then we're gonna lift it up like this. Thank you guys so much for your help today. We found 3 construction vehicles. We found an excavator. We found a dump truck. And we found a crane truck. And then we used them to move some dirt from here to over here, and we used the crane to move this really big tool that wouldn't fit in the dump truck or the excavator. That's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like our channel, okay? See you next time. Bye. Okay. I had a lot of fun learning about construction vehicles. Oh, hey guys, welcome back to Carbeli. I was just playing with some of my toys. Toys. You know that toy starts with the letter T? There's a big T and a little t. Do you know what else starts with the letter T? Train. All right, let's turn this on. The on switch is on the bottom, so we're gonna turn it on and watch how much fun this is. Okay, we'll put it down here and we'll hit the button, watch. Oh no! You know what else starts with the letter T? Truck. Let's turn this on and watch it go. Hit the on button. Okay, ready? We have one more toy that starts with the letter T. It is a tractor. Hey, let's turn it on and see what it can do. Flip the on switch right here. Here we go. There's one more thing that our toys have in common. I'll let you look at them one more time and help me decide, okay? There's our tractor. Notice what color it is, okay? Here's our train. And here's our truck. Do you know what else they have in common? Yep, you're right. Look. Red and black. Good job. Hi guys, thank you so much for joining us today. I love to learn with you. Be sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye. Thank you for joining us today. Parents, if you're looking for fun, kid-friendly educational videos, subscribe to our channel and check out Carbeli.com. See you next time.
Carbeli!
Here we go, ready? Give me a high five. Yeah.